So let's just continue then. All right, let's go to the next one. If we increase the pressure, okay, guys, molecules, okay? If there's other molecules, it doesn't work with that, okay? So you can see all of our compounds are gases, all right? So with temperature, it's very easy. You go and count all the gas molecules, okay? So you count how much C3H8 is there. There's one. There's carbon dioxide, there's one. Water, there's one. So in other words, in total, you will then have 5 gas molecules, okay? And on the other side, you have 4 plus 6 is 10 gas molecules. All right. Now you are going to tell me, is the left-hand side or the right-hand side, which one contains the highest pressure? Which one has the highest pressure? The products or the reactant side?
The products.
The product side. Because it has the highest number of molecules. Do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now, say, all right, if we increase the pressure, okay, so Le Chatelier, let's go back and let's see what Le Chatelier says. It says here, I'm going to somewhere use the pencil. If I increase the pressure, Le Chatelier will want to do the opposite. Do you agree, guys? So it will want to decrease the pressure. Okay. So Le Chatelier says if you increase the pressure, the reaction will want to decrease the pressure, favoring the side with the least amount of molecules, gas molecules. So in this case, we are favoring the 5 and not the 10. Okay, so if we increase the pressure, the reaction will want to decrease it by favoring the side of the least amount of molecules. So in other words, now the reaction will be a reverse reaction that will be favored. So the reaction that will be favored will be the reverse reaction. Okay, so that is our reaction that will be favored. Okay, now what will happen to the concentration of CO2? In other words, we are making more reactants, so it will definitely increase. What will happen to H2O? We are making more reactants, so it will definitely increase. What will happen to H2? We are taking the products and we're making more reactants, so this must decrease. Okay. So guys, what will happen to the Kc? It will remain the same. Okay. Happy with that?
Yes, sir.
Wait, so
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
how come removing molecules like the example number 2, how come it doesn't have an effect on Kc?
Because the only factor that affects Kc is temperature.
So isn't Kc isn't it related to concentration?
No. Remember, what happens is you have a Kc at a certain temperature. If you remember our questions, we always said work out the Kc at 273 kelvins or at 290 kelvins. Okay, so the only thing that affects Kc is temperature.
Okay, that makes sense. So thank you.
Okay. All right. So now the next one, we heat the system. All right. So we said in the beginning, this is an endothermic reaction. All right. So we heat the system. Okay. So let's go to our page. So if we increase our temperature, what does the reaction want to do? It wants to decrease the temperature. All right. Now, if I increase temperature, which reaction do I favor? Okay. And it is very clear in your notes as well. Just want to get here to the correct thing. Temperature. An increase in temperature will always favor the endothermic reaction. Okay, so if we increase the temperature, we will favor endo, because endo, what does endo do? It lowers the temperature. If we decrease the temperature, according to Le Chatelier, the reaction will want to increase the temperature, so it will favor the exothermic reaction. All right, so we are busy with the first one. Okay, so we are saying what happens if we heat the system? So we are increasing. So which reaction are we going to favor? We are going to favor the endothermic reaction. And like I said our forward reaction will be endo, because that's what we answered in 1.1. So which one is favored? It is our forward reaction. So in other words, the forward reaction is favored. All right, so what does it mean to us, guys? Means the following, that if the forward reaction is favored, this is now the blue one, then it means final concentration of CO2 will decrease. The final concentration of H2O will decrease. The final concentration of H2 must increase. Now, do we have an effect on the Kc? Yes, because it's the only factor that changes it. So if there is a temperature increase, it means it's an endothermic reaction. Okay, then it means there's more products are formed and the Kc will decrease. Okay, so the Kc will decrease. Okay, why will it decrease, guys? Because we are making more products. Okay, sorry, I said decrease. I'm making a mistake. Sorry. It must increase. The Kc must increase. Why? Because we are making more products. So remember our expression. It is the concentration of the products over the concentration of the reactants. So if this becomes more, then it means the Kc will increase. Any question you have here? No one. Are we all fine?
Yes, sir.
Virginia, are you fine? Is it Virginia? Ach, Boyket, Segobella, are you fine? Sorry.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, great. Okay, guys, so now the catalyst.